If you have downloaded the StrataGrid technical data sheet from the Cirtex website recently, you'll notice that it's been upgraded. During 2019, Strata Geosystems commissioned an entirely new production plant for the StrataGrid geogrids. This has resulted in improved engineering performance. In the time since then, we've been working on all the required testing and approvals required for the product, and we now have the approval and certification from the New Zealand Transport Agency. The first thing you'll notice is the names are slightly different. So we now use the terminology SGU for StrataGrid Uniaxial, and the name of the geogrid represents the ultimate tensile strength of the product in kilonewtons per metre, although we do note that that is not what you'll use for design. The next thing you'll notice is that the long-term creep characteristics are better, and the resistance to installation damage is significantly better as well. This new StrataGrid product represents the very latest state-of-the-art in soil reinforcement, and we're very excited to be able to bring this to the New Zealand market. If you have any questions about which grade to use or how this relates to the earlier version of StrataGrid, please give one of our team a call, 0800 247 839, or email us support@cirtex.co.nz.